Hello everybody and welcome to Tech in 5 Minutes. Today we are talking about the role of the CTO, but we won't talk about a Chief Technology Officer. Instead, we'll review who is the Chief Transformation Officer. Watch this video to find out top 6 CTO skills. On our channel, we share thoughts on recent developments in the tech industry. Subscribe not to miss new videos. When you think that your company is ready for a change, you need to do things right. This means that change should start from the leadership, with the introduction of a Chief Transformation Officer. Why hire them? Well, among the top reasons are diverse experience a CTO brings to the table, benefits for your business from fragmented leadership. Essentially, introducing a CTO means that a CEO is not responsible for every transformation that a company undergoes. And also, what matters is the specialized expertise in implementing technological innovations. By bringing a CTO to your company, you embrace change as something exciting rather than stressful. Let's take a look at the role and the responsibilities of a CTO. The role of the CTO in a bigger company is to facilitate global business transformation, while smaller companies usually focus on local or regional development. Keep watching to learn about CTO skills, but before that, let's make CTO responsibilities roundup. We at Jelvix subdivide CTO's responsibilities into several groups. The first group is corporate climate responsibilities, which include improving and facilitating collaboration, serving as a mentor and problem-solving expert, pushing the ideas on implementing innovation to facilitate productive collaboration, supporting the productivity of subordinate teams. The next group of responsibilities is organizational change management leadership, working closely with the Chief Innovations Officer to manage the process of innovation and change management, reporting on the change management processes to the top management, coordinating with other departments to engage them in the change management process, allocating the resources needed for change management, ensuring the compliance with standard documentation, managing risks connected to the change management process, ensuring the cybersecurity of the process. If you are interested to learn more about the change management process, check out our guide in the description box. And finally, we'll mention responsibilities of external communication, such as informing the vendors on the change policies, working with affiliate companies to ensure equal implementation of changes, cooperating with partners who contribute to the change management process. Let's cover the common education and experience requirements that a CTO's background should have. Most of the companies require a minimum of a bachelor's degree and a minimum of 10 years of experience in the relevant field. Apart from the years of experience in change management, companies also list experience in digital transformation, team management, crisis and risk management, running different organizational processes, enterprise resource management, and experience in corporate presentations. For field-specific roles, CTOs need to have relevant experience in areas that will have transformations. There is also a list of skills expected from the job candidates to have. And what are the most important skills you would pay attention to? Drop a comment right now. Now let's review top 6 CTO skills. We at Jelvix selected the most important hard and soft skills for this position. Watch till the end to know about the last skill, which is considered one of the most important. Among hard skills are change management skills, which help to prepare the company for changes including the sub-skills, like the implementation of technology, process review skills, and crisis management skills. Risk management skills are for handling any barriers that occur in the process of transformation, such as risk identification, risk evaluation, prioritization skills, and problem-solving skills. The control skills category comes as a follow-up to the risk management skills and includes planning, delegation, problem-solving, finance and operations management. Also, there are soft skills, such as creativity and open-mindedness, which provides a CTO with the resources for effective problem-solving. Stress management skills have a great impact on how the conflicts are resolved in the company, how the employees are treated, how well company policies are observed. Outsourcing skills is the last type, and, as we have already mentioned, is a crucial soft skill. Depending on the scale of the company, a CTO will be responsible for outsourcing certain tasks. This means good communication skills to explain the ideas better and build positive relationships within the team. To sum up, the role and the responsibilities of the CTO largely depend on the scale and nature of the organization, as well as the nature of changes the company is undergoing. This video was prepared by the Jelvix team. We provide software development, UI/UX design, QA, and testing services to top brands worldwide. Find our contact details in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. We share the experience of technologies that allow business transformations. So make sure to subscribe not to miss a single video. And don't forget to like this video and press the bell button. Bye for now.